Okay, guys, today is Saturday, April 26, 2025, and we are setting up for a baby is brewing baby shower. This is me putting down some cloth so that I don't get my chiari walls dirty. And I am loading up. I'm loading up my balloons here for my setup. The colors are green, tan, browns, all of the palettes in that family. Today, I only have 30 minutes to set up this balloon backdrop. So I pre-made all my garlands so that it'll make it easier when I go to set up at the venue. Next, it was time to go to the gas station to gas up because I am married to a man who does not like to put gas in the car, and I just never know when I'm going to run out of gas. See, he's a man, so he can run out of gas. He know how to walk to the store with a gallon of gas and put it in the tank, but I will cry until he get here. Next, it was me looking. I was looking to see where I was going. My destination was about 24 to 30 minutes away. I arrived at the Henry T. Jones Community Center. It's located in Jacksonville, Florida. Believe it's off of Phillips Highway somewhere. And this is me loading in all my stuff by myself. Whenever I do things by myself, guys, I always try to pick up my lightweight chiari walls. I love these walls because they are super lightweight. They're made of aluminum. I got them from Etsy, and they were the best investment I've ever made. I also bought a sign from Etsy too, which you will see in a minute. Here are my balloons for my crazy column that I will do in a separate tutorial. I am setting up for the backdrop. They told me they wanted it up against the wall. So I had to improvise though, guys, because I forgot my other lamp post and I needed it for my column, my crazy column. So I had to take all the balloons off of that garland. And here you see me reattaching them together neck to neck to put down on the left side of the backdrop. So, yeah, this is me. I'm just attaching my balloons here. Next, I am going to just move my chiari walls. You see how lightweight and easy they are. They're perfect for indoor events. Again, I got them off of Etsy. I think I spent $350 for them. They were the best investment because you just get all the little covers from Amazon. Yeah, and so this is how I decided to fix them because a table will be going in front of this. And then on this side, I'm just sliding in my organic garland. I use size 11-inch and 5-inch balloons for this garland. I didn't use any of my 17-inch balloons. And this is me just assembling it on the left side. I use a clip to the back and with the 260, and I just wrap the 260 around the garland to make it stand up on the left side. Real quick, guys, I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in order to become monetized on YouTube. Then I plan to do more teaching, step-by-step, and tutorials. So if you wouldn't mind, please click that like button, subscribe, share my channel, and that'll help me to go live and to teach my balloon techniques. So this is me finishing up. I'm tying up the bottom of the garland to the base and just fixing it up and zhuzhing it up so that it looks good. I also tied some extra 5-inch balloons into the garland to give it some dimension and depth. And I step back. Always step back, look at your work, guys, to see if you like it. Next, it was time to hang up the sign. And I used my little blower that I got from Amazon. And that gets all the lint and pet hair out of your balloons. Next, I use real quick, guys, you go to Walmart and get the Crystal Blend Tire Shine, because it smells just like the Mega Shine, which is like $20 a can, but you can get it for less than $5 a can. You'll see how good it helps to shine up these balloons. My girl Rick James of Mama Cita Decor, she hooked me up to hype me up to that, so that can save you a couple bucks there if you like. It's called Crystal brand. It smells just like cherries. It smells really good, and it's a tire shine in a purple can with a black top. And this is me just shining up the balloons because you want them nice and shiny for your customer. And this is the finished product. This is what it looks like, guys. I like the way it turned out. The theme is a baby is brewing, and I just really like to do unique themes like this. I hope you enjoyed this. This is all I have for you today. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Okay, bye.